Welcome to our room tour on Celebrity Beyond, room 3166, and this is an interior cabin. Welcome to our interior room. When you enter this room, you do have all of the room controls. Controls your thermostat and your lighting. That's all digital. There is storage right next to the bed. There's shelving. There is 3 drawers, and they are soft closed drawers. There is a safe. There's also an umbrella in here and also a bag for laundry. The best feature, though, is right next to the bed. They have 2 USB plugs right here. On each side of the bed has a bedside lamp and some bedside storage. This bed is set up currently as a king size bed, but it will split into 2 twin size beds depending on who you're traveling with. On this side of the bed, there is a phone next to the bed, and then also this couch seating area. There is a closet on this side. It has hanging storage. There is a mirror on this side. And then 3 large drawers that have a divider, which I really like on the inside. Keep his stuff away from your stuff. But these are good sized drawers. There is also a fridge, and it is an actual fridge. But this box is really cool. Inside of it has a European plug, 2 USBs, and 2 American outlets. And then here is your makeup vanity area. But what's neat about this table is this table actually slides in and tucks in to make more space if you're not going to use that. And then to the bathroom. It's kind of hidden in the wall. It blends right in. But here's the bathroom. The bathroom is beautiful on here. It has a very large shower. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It has a movable hand wand, and I love the bar for shaving. There is hidden storage. There is a drawer under the sink that has your hair dryer in it. There is an outlet in the bathroom. Thank you for joining us on our interior room on Celebrity Beyond, room 3166. Just a disclaimer, you will hear noise in this room, especially when the DJ's playing in the Grand Plaza. It sounds like right on the other side of this wall.